Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today's going to be super quick. I'm going to show you how to make an Oleo Saccharum. Tomorrow I'm going to be making a fish house punch for New Year's Eve, and this is an essential ingredient. It's really easy to make. It's just a matter of combining lemon peel with sugar. That's it. So there's two different methods you can do. You can either vacuum seal it in a bag and store it overnight, and then the sugar will naturally extract all the oils from the citrus. Or if you're in a hurry and you want to make it up on the day, then you could peel it, put it in a bowl, add the sugar over the top and give it a light muddle and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So I've got a couple of different peelers here. I've got a Y peeler, an OXO, and then I've got I think it's a German style peeler. I actually prefer the Y peeler because it gives you a really fine peel and doesn't leave too much pith. So as you can see there, real nice close up. There's not much pith at all on that. So peel, add that straight into your bowl. And for those that are curious, Oleo actually translates direct to oil or oily, and saccharum is sugar. So it's essentially oily sugar, or probably sounds better as sugared oil. And then once you're done with this, you obviously juice the lemons and can use that in another cocktail. So I'll leave you a link to David Wondrick's cocktail book Punch. So he recommends the ratios of 1 lemon to 2 ounces, or roughly about 60 grams of sugar. So in this case, I've done 4 lemons to 1 cup of sugar. So add it straight in. Now in this case, you can give it a muddle, obviously, if you're in a hurry, or I'm actually ahead of time, so I'm preparing this for tomorrow's recipe. So I'm just gonna transfer it straight into a bag. So if you've got a vacuum sealer, then this will actually work even better. Just squeeze all the air out of it. Sort of mix it all through and then maybe give it a bit of a massage, and that's pretty much it. Give it 24 hours in the fridge, and then tomorrow you're going to have a nice citrusy oil that is going to make your punch absolutely amazing. If I have time, tomorrow is New Year's Eve, I'm going to try and upload the fish house punch recipe, and if I don't get to it, I'll do it another time, or at least share some photos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.